Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price is still in the middle of a good-sized bounce. Now, sure, the price is pulled back, but even where it is right now, compared to where it was not that long ago, everybody can agree, this has been, it's been bouncing. But that leads to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all centered around a single level. And that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. Now, where is this level at? This level is right here at 17 cents. Why is 17 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, bounces that are actually bounces, are going to progress forward, right? A bounce is going to bounce. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 17 cents. Any closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around like it's actually already done a couple times right there, but let's say it does that a few more times, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps starting to progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They're going to make progress in the upwards direction. So even with the deeper pullback that it's had, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher stair step. And, that's kind of how I'm gauging whether or not, this price movement that's occurring has any sort of longevity to it in terms of a longer term type move. So let's, bottom line here, let's see if the bulls can, build some stair steps upwards. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, right now, I'm just going to talk about one, and I'll explain why in just a second, but that's going to be right there at 19 cents. So 19 cents, definitely that key level of resistance. Just talking about one level because in my mind right now, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority. Top priority right now is building a higher base, going through a healthy consolidation, and building that stair step. So we'll see if the bulls can do it or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.